here's how you can empty the SD card on your Android. So let's get started. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So of course, there are Android phones which support the actual SD card, which you can plug into the phone or connect it, and then you'll be able to access not only the local storage as well as the SD card storage, but usually it gets managed through the file manager. Depends on your phone, but on my Samsung I have this app which is called My Files. On a different Android you might see the same app, but it might be titled differently with perhaps different icon. But the point is that in here you can manage the internal storage, cloud storage, and so on. But the point is that if you connect any SD card, whether through the built-in slot or even if you connect like an external SSD storage or whatever else it might be in terms of the storage device, it's going to show up right here, and you will have the ability to control it, delete it, erase it, and do whatever you need to do. So this would be the place to approach this. So yeah, you need to find the storage manager and manage not the local storage, since we want to empty the SD card, but just find that and either, as I said, delete the files individually or perform a whole reset where you're going to format the whole storage device. So that's how it works. Of course, you can as well get some third-party file managers from the Play Store, but usually the built-in solutions are good enough and work well. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if you managed to find what you needed. I really hope I was able to help you out with that, but for now that's it, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.